si Bo Martinez sa kanyang fiancé. Na-interview natin sila nung January, no? Pero yung proposal siguro mga 2023. Nag-propose siya sa kanyang then girlfriend, fiancé, now asawa, na si Bianca. Sa isang concert din. Ang kwento po nila, ni Bo tsaka ni Bianca, favorite po nila itong artist na ito. At nung nag-propose po si Bo, si Bianca, sa harap ng maraming tao, silang dalawa lang naman po yun. Nakita po ng crowd na nag-propose. Tapos lahat po binidyohan. Yan po, nakatapat po yung mga cellphone lahat. Tapos in-upload po nila isa-isa sa TikTok. Kaya po siya nag-viral. At yung artist din po na yun, napansin po niya na merong nag-propose na si Bo at tinigil nga na yung kanta at tinanong niya, sumagot ba? Nag-yes ba? Tapos nung gumanon si Bo, sabi na yes, tapos nag-celebrate po yung buong arena. So ngayon po, fast forward to May 11, sila po kinasal na. So ngayon din po, magkakaroon din po tayo ng a good vibe story na nangyaring proposal habang nasa concert ng isang Swedish singer-songwriter. Ngayon po makakausap po natin ngayong hapon. Makakausap po natin ngayong hapon ang story po ng kanilang proposal. Hi, hello, good afternoon. Dito po sa Share Ko Lang Attorney Maricar Santos and Johnny Monreal. Sila po ang couple na kumbaga nag-yes po si Attorney Maricar nung nag-propose po si Knoxville sa isa pong concert. Hi, long good afternoon po. Migs Busos po ito dito sa Share Ko Lang.
Hi Sir Mig. This is Attorney Maricar Santos. Thank you for having me in your segment po.
Salamat po. Andiyan po ba si Knoxville, si Sir John?
Actually, he's not here. Ako
He's
lang.
not here. Ikaw lang.
Yeah.
Okay, so, attorney, paano ba to nangyari?
Actually, it was Holy Week when we heard the news that Snow Allegra is going to have a concert here in the Philippines. So, as a fan, both of us are fans of Snow Allegra. So, we decided to buy a ticket, and then our plan was just to go together. So, no friends, no family. So, just the two of us together. So, during the concert, alala kami, we're hugging each other and then singing the songs of Snow Allegra. And then, towards the end, nagkaroon kasi ng lights out. So, we thought na tapos na yung concert. Yun pala, meron pang last two songs si Snow Allegra. So, we were also joking around before pa na we want to get Snow Allegra to sing sa wedding namin. So, kinukulit ko siya the past few days before the concert if he can get me like a photo op opportunity with Snow Allegra. But sabi niya hindi daw siya nakakuha. And then, yun nga, the surprise is even better. Kasi during the last song, he asked me if okay lang daw ba na hindi namin makuha si Snow Allegra sa wedding. So I said, why? Then, sinabi niya, turn around. And then yun na, nakita ko, nakanil na siya. And then, yun, he was proposing. And actually, everything was a blur at that time. I didn't know that everybody or the crowd and the audience was taking videos and photos of us. So it was really a surreal and overwhelming feeling.
Tanong ko lang, no, itong si John, gaano katagal na ba kayong mag-jowa, mag-boyfriend-girlfriend bago siya nag-propose?
4 years.
4
We
years.
started dating during the pandemic.
Wow! During the pandemic, napaka-challenging nun.
Yeah.
Baka naman makwento mo yung love story ninyo, no? Kasi yun nga, despite the challenges, paano din ba kayo nagkakilala? And then, how did you make it work leading to this day?
Our relationship kasi started as friends lang din talaga. Like usual common friends, nagkikita somewhere. So basically that time lang nung pandemic. So nagkaroon lang kami ng simple conversation over Instagram, and then doon na kami nagtuloy-tuloy, and then actually our relationship was very easy. Alam mo 'yon, hindi siya yung typical love story, or wala akong masasabi na like unique, but it was an easy relationship. para kami mag-best friends and we support each other kasi magkaiba kami ng field. He plays as a DJ, is also an entrepreneur, ako naman lawyer. So kahit magkaiba kami ng interest, magkasundo kami sa most of na bagay, tsaka para kami mag-best friends talaga.
Mm.
We find comfort with each other talaga kahit sa anong aspect.
Itong ano no, without singing the tune o kumbaga at least yung lyrics nung kantang yun, sabi mo nga nung last song doon siya nag-propose. Ano ba yung mensaheng ito nung kantang ito para sa mga hindi masyadong familiar sa artist pati sa mga songs nila?
Okay, so, Snow Eggers and the artist. So the song na nag-play during the concert when he proposed, ang title niya is Find Someone Like You. So from there, you can sobrang perfect yung timing nung pagka-propose niya kasi dun pa sa song na yun. Parang hindi namin kasi na-expect na ipi-play pa siya kasi nga akala namin tapos na. So yung lyrics niya kasi is I've been waiting for my whole life to find someone like you. And that exact same lyrics, dun niya siya nag-kneel down. So actually, na-realize ko lang na ganun yung nangyari, yung sequence nung events when I watched the videos, the story. So sobrang timing. Yun, sobrang heartwarming lang po.
Yun nga no. So ano naman ang reaksyon? Kasi kanina, attorney, nung kinukwento ko bago ko i-intro ito, we've had a similar story also na silang dalawa lang din. Ito sakto, ganyan na gano'n, para pinapakita nyo sa video, silang dalawa lang. Tapos na-touch yung buong crowd. Na ayan, may mga nagbi-video pa, talagang meron pa kayong little circle dyan. At least so from your POV na actual na nandoon, ano yung mga reaksyon nila?
Actually, yung crowd was parang alam mo yun, nagkaroon siya na tumigil yung crowd and then all of their phones, their attention was actually majority ng crowd. Nasa amin na they were cheering and then after the proposal, they were saying congratulations and even after the concert, yung mga kasabay namin dun sa palabas na they were all cheering and saying congratulations kahit hindi namin talaga, as in total strangers.
Eh, mga netizens naman.
Actually, some posts sa TikTok na, of course, they don't know us, but yun nakita namin na they posted sa TikTok about the proposal. So we're very, very happy.
Reaction naman ng parents kasi tawag mo dito, natanong mo ba ang iyong fiancé na, nakapagpaalam ka ba sa mga magulang ko?
Actually, my mom naman, alam naman niya.
Oh, of
And
course.
actually, my mom, naman siya. Matagal na siya nag-iintay na ma-engage ako. So,
Yun.
she's very happy. Very happy talaga.
So para naman para makapagbigay ng good vibes, ng inspiration dito, siguro what is it like from your shoes? Na kailangan ba? I mean, of course, we're talking about this, kumbaga, visually it's a viral moment. Pero yung pag nandun ka na talaga, ano yung feeling ba? At least, kasi kami, hindi namin alam. Kami yung nagpaplano ng proposal. Pero as a woman, ano ba talaga yung feeling na ito na yun, this is the moment that I've been waiting for?
Actually, I believe kasi in the perfect time, in God's time, and His intervention. So when you're exactly at that moment, you would know that it was God who's doing everything. That's exactly what I felt that time. That's why meron, I think, part doon na napaupo ako because, I was just so overwhelmed with joy and gratefulness because, of course, lahat naman ng babae dream din magkaroon ng proposal, ng marriage. So, when the proposal happened and during that time that it was happening, all I can say and in my mind and in my heart was just thank you God because he is so good. Yun yung talagang feeling ko at that time. So sa mga women and ladies out there, just trust the timing of God. Yun lang.
Kailan naman ang kasal?
Actually, medyo, ano pa, hindi pa namin napag-usapan. But we're planning about 2026 kasi marami rin kaming mga in-betweens na kailangan tapusin. Like, my master's, meron din siyang business. So, we don't want to, ano naman, we're not in a rush din naman.
Mm.
So, sabi ko nga, I've waited for 4 years. So, I think hindi naman mag-matter if we will, make it like a long engagement. So, it
Ah.
doesn't matter. No?
Hindi. Ano naman middle naman of 2024 at ako share ko lang, nung kami ina-engage, 18 months kami nag-prepare ah. So hindi naman kailangan 1 year agad. So basta kung anong oras ang nararamdaman, well, I mean, I'm not one to give advice, no? Pero yun nga, nasa sa inyo na lang yun at syempre, importante meron kayong suporta ng inyong mga core at syempre ng inyong mga magulang. Attorney Maricar Santos, congrats at regards sa
Thank
iyong
you. Thank you
fiancé
so
na
much
si
po.
Knoxville. Maraming salamat at thank you for sharing your good vibe story. Thank you.
Thank you din, Sir Mix.
Congrats.
Thank you po sa station. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, nakaka-touch. Ang galing Takes me back to my, nung nag-propose din ako sa misis ko. Share ko lang. Sila 4 years. Kami naman kasi nung magjowa kami ng aking, asawa na si Mishi. Nakalimutan, no? Kala ko jowa